dance and tease. Yeah, but that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a review on Luvwin hair, and this is their Yaki Bob with 4C edges. So I haven't done a review like this, so I'm really excited to see how it's going to look. This is how it looks right off, like right out the bag. You can tell it's really like a yaki type of texture, and you can see the edges are 4C. So this is how it looks like right outside the bag, and it's looking amazing, you guys. It looks like my natural hair. It looks like I just, tried to like do like a blowout or something like that. But yeah, it looks really good, and you can tell that the lace is really good quality. It's HD lace, but you guys already know I'm going to tint the lace so that I can wear it glueless and so that I can really match my skin tone. So I take my Fenty bronzer and a flat brush, and then I put it all over the lace. And this will really make it look like it's coming from my forehead. And the reason why I use my bronzer is because it's the closest shade to my forehead, because my forehead is darker than my actual face.
Give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
So after I'm done doing that, I put it back on my head, and where is the lace? Okay, what lace? It's looking really, really good. It's blending in nicely. And yeah, so now I just have to figure out what I'm doing with the hair. I'm trying to figure it out, trying to adjust it to my head. And I'm trying to see if I want to do a middle part or a side part. Either would look really good, but yeah, I just have to kind of see which one I want. But I end up doing a side part. So I'm going to do that, and usually I style the hair after I cut the lace, but this time I'm going to style the hair and then I'm going to cut the lace after. So yeah, you guys are going to see that I am going to put hot comb to make it nice and flat, but first I need to put my wax stick to make sure that I protect the hair. And it's really important that you guys don't put heat directly to the hair without putting anything to protect it.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that.
So as you can see, I'm flat ironing it in different sections because I need it to be nice and flat. And if I just do it, just like that, it won't really be as flat as I wanted to. So yeah, I'm just doing that. And as you can see, the hot comb's doing a really, really good job. But I'm not hot combing the baby hairs because I really want the 4C edges to show. That's what makes it look so natural. And now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to flat iron the hair.
I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
combing it out, and as you can see, like, this is so pretty. I love it. But now it's time to cut the lace. Okay, so I cut the lace in an up and down motion. I never do it just straight down because I find that it looks like it's, as you can see, up and down, up and down, up and down. I find that it blends in much more if you do that than if you just do a straight line. So now that I'm done cutting the lace, I'm going to put it on my head, and look how it just blends in right away. Like, this is amazing, you guys. And I'm gonna comb it through. I'm feeling like this is my actual hair. Like, that's how I'm feeling. This looks really, really good, you guys. I love the 4C edges. And even if I did like a middle part, I'm sure it would look amazing. And I'm trying to show you guys how good the lace quality is. Look, like, I didn't glue it down. I didn't spray it down, nothing. Like, this is just how it's looking on my head. So I want to thank Luvwin Hair for sponsoring this video. This hair is really, really nice. It honestly looks like my natural hair. It looks like a blowout. And I know you can see the track a little bit there. I hadn't noticed that, but all you have to do is really just hot comb the hair down and it'll be fine. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and you guys can look at the rest of the video. It's just me loving my hair and trying to get a nice shot for a picture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.
Give me that good, good love.